And in jazz today, you hear all these chromatic lines that are not really scalular. And a lot of that's coming from the diminished scale. Once again, this works over an altered dominant chord, and only with natural 13 as one of the tensions. And I'll play the symmetrical diminished over the same chord I just played an altered scale over, C7 sharp 9. Classic jazz licks in this scale. That's a good one. The symmetrical diminished goes half step, whole step, half step, whole step. It's symmetrical. It goes up a half step, then up a whole step, and then the same thing again. Like that. It's in the symmetrical pattern.